Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful homemade cookies layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the homemade cookies layout pack for Divi. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. A beautiful combination of colors, visuality, and you can use this layout pack for any kind of website you want to build. So if you want to lay your hands on this beautiful layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the homemade cookies layout pack. And if you click on it, you can find all of the different layouts that belong to this layout pack, all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself. So say for instance you really enjoy the home page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the homemade cookies layout pack. Click on it. Select the layout of your choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your page design. So say for instance you want to use a different font here, but you want to tackle all of the different text on your page at once. You can do that easily by going to the heading text settings. Over here we have the font that's being used. We're going to right click, click on find and replace, and we'll find this font within this page and we'll replace it with another font of our choice. Let's just take Poppins for instance, and we'll also tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font to make sure that the font is covered everywhere on the page, and then we'll click on replace. Now we can tweak the text size to, let's do 70 pixels for instance, or 80. And as you can notice, this has been changed throughout the entire page design, and you can use this kind of technique to change your page really quickly and have it go live in no time using this layout pack in Divi. So go ahead and play around with it and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.